guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode of this Monochromatic Passion series. So today it is the 6th day and I will be playing with some green tones, and I will be using this NYX Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and on my eyelids I will apply this green color from here. Okay, so let's begin. And to prime my eyelids I will use this eyeshadow stick from Laura Mercier. It is in the shade Vanilla Kiss and I'll apply here on my lids. You can obviously use eyeshadow primer if you need, or a concealer, but this trick using that eyeshadow stick helps my eyeshadow hold better throughout the day. And with a concealer brush I'll just blend that eyeshadow. Okay, so now to apply my eyeshadow I will take this flat eyeshadow brush from Zoeva in the number 234, and I will take the green eyeshadow from this NYX Cosmetics palette and I'll apply it all over my eyelid. And now with a fluffy brush by BH Cosmetics in the number 8, I'll just blend the edges. And now with a smudger brush, this one by Zoeva in the number 226, I'll take again the green eyeshadow and I'll apply it on the lower lash line. Okay, now I'll apply some mascara and I'm using this one from Maybelline, and I am applying that on the upper and lower lashes. And now for the lips, since I don't have a green lip product, I will be using this lip gloss from Lime Crime, which is called Cherry Slime. That is gross. Okay, so and this is the final result using a green eyeshadow. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below, and on your way out don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification, and I will see you tomorrow with the last video of this series. Bye!